Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to reset your JLab earbuds, and this is actually somewhat easy. So the first thing we want to do is disconnect them from our phone. So let's go on down from the top and go to settings here, and then go on over to connections and go to the Bluetooth connections. And we're just going to disconnect it and unpair it. So we can see the JLab pops right here. So let's go to this and go to unpair. Now it's disconnected from my phone. Let's put them back into the case, and then we can go ahead and try to reset the Bluetooth on them. So we'll put them back in the case, then remove one side. I'm going to remove the right side, and then look at it, and you're going to see this light on it is going to be flashing. So remove one at a time, and then tap the top 7 times. And you can see it's going to be flashing a bunch now. So we'll put this one to the side, and we'll go to the other one. And then we can tap this side. And once we tap them, we can put them back in the case. So this one's flashing a lot now too. Put them back into here. And then we can go ahead and remove them. Now on my phone, I can see it popping up. So if I scan, I should be able to reconnect and pair now. So I can go and just take them back out. And they should be ready to go. And we can try tapping them again, see if they're going to go ahead and enter the pairing mode, but they should already be in the pairing mode. So if this doesn't work, keep putting them back in the case, in and out, and keep tapping them, and it should reset them eventually, and you should be good to go. So that's what I did. Just keep putting them in and taking them out and tapping them, and try removing one and then wait a few seconds and then remove the other one. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.